Welcome friends. Here is another type of linear inequation in one variable which involves modulus, and let us see how to solve it. First of all, we shall let that mod x is equals to y. Then this linear inequality will be negative 2 over y minus 3 greater than equals to 2. And we know that we can add or subtract the same number from both the side of inequality by without changing the sign of inequality. We shall subtract 2 from both the side, then it will be negative 2 over y minus 3 minus 2 greater than equals to 2 minus 2. Then it will be minus 2 into y minus 3 over y minus 3, and which is greater than equals to 0. And if we solve further, then it will be negative 2 into negative 2y plus 6 over y minus 3, which is greater than equals to 0. Then it will be negative 2y plus 4 over y minus 3, and which is greater than equals to 0. And if we multiply both the sides by negative 1, then it will be 2y minus 4 over y minus 3, but the sign of this inequality will be reversed. And now we shall solve this inequality by step. In first step, we shall equate the numerator to 0. Then it will be 2y minus 4 equals to 0. This means y is equals to 2. And now we shall denominator to 0. Then it will be y minus 3 equals to 0. This means y is equals to 3. And now we shall place these two critical points on a real line, that is 2 is here and 3 is here. And now we shall place positive sign here, negative here, and positive sign here. And since this whole value is negative, so this reason will be the solution of this inequality. Then y will belongs to 2 to 3, and 3 is not included, because at 3 this linear inequality does not exist. Or we can say that y is greater than equals to 2 but less than 3. Or we can say that mod x is greater than equals to 2 but less than 3. And in this condition we shall apply a formula, and that is, if mod x is greater than a but less than b, then it will be if and only if x belongs to negative b to negative a union interval of a and b. So by using this formula, x will belongs to minus b. This means minus 3 to minus 2, and 2 is included, and union of 2 to 3. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.